America, a nation built on ideals of equality and opportunity, might seem an unlikely place to find echoes of royal grandeur. Yet beneath the surface of its democratic ethos, there lies a rich tapestry of ambition and opulence. This is a land where dreams are woven into reality, where the pursuit of success often leads to the creation of monumental legacies. Scattered across the country, stand magnificent estates that rival the palaces of Europe. These grand homes are not just structures. They are symbols of an era when the American dream was synonymous with grandeur and extravagance. These architectural marvels, born during the Gilded Age, whisper tales of ambition, wealth, and the pursuit of the American dream. The Gilded Age, a period of rapid economic growth and industrialization, saw the rise of a new class of wealthy elites who sought to showcase their success through the construction of opulent homes. They stand as monuments to a time when industry titans and financial giants sought to leave their mark on the world, crafting their own versions of paradise on American soil. These estates were more than just residences. They were a testament to the ingenuity and determination of their creators. These weren't merely homes, they were statements. Statements of power, influence, and a desire to be remembered. Each estate was meticulously designed to reflect the personality and aspirations of its owner. Statements of success, sophistication, and an eagerness to embrace the finer things in life. The interiors of these homes were adorned with the finest materials. From imported marble to intricate woodwork, each detail carefully chosen to exude luxury. From coast to coast, these palaces, each with its own unique story, offer a glimpse into a captivating chapter of American history. They are scattered across the landscape, from the rolling hills of the East Coast to the sun-drenched shores of California, each one a jewel in the crown of American architecture. This era, spanning the late 19th and early 20th centuries, saw the rise of unprecedented fortunes. It was a time when the American economy was booming, and the wealth generated by industry and innovation allowed for the creation of these magnificent homes. The Vanderbilts, the Astors, the Hearsts, names synonymous with wealth and power, sought to express their newfound status through these grand estates. These families, among the wealthiest in American history, used their fortunes to build homes that were not only luxurious, but also innovative in their design and construction. They spared no expense, commissioning the most renowned architects and artisans to create homes that exuded luxury and refinement. These estates were often designed by the leading architects of the day, who brought their vision and expertise to create homes that were both beautiful and functional. These summer cottages, as some modestly called them, were anything but modest. Despite their name, these homes were grand in every sense of the word, featuring expansive grounds, multiple buildings, and luxurious amenities. They were filled with priceless art, rare antiques, and sprawling gardens that rivaled those of European royalty. The owners of these estates were avid collectors, filling their homes with treasures from around the world. They were the backdrop for lavish parties, glittering with the jewels and laughter of the era's elite. These homes were not just places to live, they were stages for the social lives of their owners, hosting events that were the talk of the town. Perched high atop a hill overlooking the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, Hearst Castle stands as a monumental testament to the boundless ambition and vision of William Randolph Hearst, the newspaper magnate who transformed the media landscape of his time. This iconic structure is not just a home but a symbol of opulence and grandeur, reflecting the larger-than-life persona of its creator. This sprawling estate, known as La Cuesta Encantada, or the Enchanted Hill, is a mesmerizing blend of European grandeur and Californian charm. The estate's architecture and design draw inspiration from various European styles, creating a unique and enchanting atmosphere that captivates all who visit.
Hearst, heir to a vast mining fortune, envisioned a home that would not only serve as a luxurious retreat, but also showcase his extensive and eclectic collection of art and antiquities. His passion for collecting was insatiable, and he amassed pieces from all over the world, each with its own story and historical significance. To bring his grand vision to life, Hearst enlisted the talents of Julia Morgan, a trailblazing woman in the field of architecture. Morgan, known for her innovative designs and meticulous attention to detail, was the perfect choice to transform Hearst's dream into reality. Her collaboration with Hearst resulted in a masterpiece that seamlessly blended various architectural styles and elements.
What began as a modest project in 1919 evolved over 3 decades into a sprawling estate comprising 165 rooms and 127 acres of meticulously landscaped gardens. The estate's evolution reflects Hearst's ever-growing ambition and desire to create a sanctuary of unparalleled beauty and luxury. The main house, Casa Grande, is an architectural masterpiece that stands as the crown jewel of the estate. Its grandeur and elegance are evident in every detail, from the intricate carvings to the majestic towers that rise above the landscape. Inside, Casa Grande features a stunning assembly hall with a 22-foot-high fireplace, a grand dining room fit for a king, and a breathtaking indoor Roman pool lined with shimmering blue and gold tiles. Each room is a testament to the opulence and sophistication that defined Hearst's vision.
The estate also boasts 2 guest houses, Casa del Mar and Casa del Monte, each more impressive than most mansions. These guest houses provided luxurious accommodations for Hearst's many visitors, offering them a taste of the grandeur and elegance that defined the entire estate. Hearst filled his castle with treasures from around the world, tapestries, paintings, sculptures, and furniture, each piece imbued with history and cultural significance. His collection was a reflection of his eclectic tastes and his desire to create a space that was both beautiful and intellectually stimulating. He hosted Hollywood's elite political figures and literary giants, making Hearst Castle a legendary gathering place for the rich and famous. The estate became a hub of social activity where the most influential and glamorous figures of the time came together to enjoy the splendor and hospitality that Hearst offered. Nestled amidst the misty peaks of Asheville, North Carolina, lies the Biltmore Estate, a monument to the Vanderbilt dynasty and a shining example of Gilded Age opulence. This grand estate, with its sprawling grounds and majestic architecture, stands as a testament to the vision and ambition of one man and his family. The Biltmore Estate is not just a home, it is a symbol of an era, a piece of history that continues to captivate visitors from around the world. This French Renaissance chateau, completed in 1895, was the vision of George Vanderbilt, grandson of Cornelius Vanderbilt, the railroad tycoon. George Vanderbilt, inspired by his travels and the grand chateau of Europe, sought to create a residence that would reflect the elegance and sophistication of the old world while embracing the natural beauty of the American landscape.
George Vanderbilt, captivated by the beauty of the Blue Ridge Mountains, sought to create a self-sustaining country retreat. He envisioned a place where he could escape the hustle and bustle of city life, a sanctuary where he could immerse himself in nature and pursue his intellectual and artistic interests. He purchased over 125,000 acres of land, a vast expanse that would become the foundation of his dream estate. This massive land acquisition was not just about creating a private retreat, it was also about preserving the natural beauty of the region and creating a legacy for future generations, and commissioned architect Richard Morris Hunt to design a home that would rival the Grand Chateau of Europe. Hunt, a master of his craft, brought Vanderbilt's vision to life, creating a residence that was both grand and intimate, a place where art, architecture, and nature coexisted in perfect harmony.
Biltmore Estate, with its 250 rooms, is the largest private home in America. Each room is a masterpiece, meticulously designed and decorated to reflect the tastes and interests of its owner. From the grand banquet hall to the cozy library, every space within the estate tells a story. It is a marvel of craftsmanship and detail, featuring intricate woodwork, soaring ceilings, and a priceless art collection. The estate's interiors are adorned with treasures from around the world, including paintings, sculptures, and rare books, each piece carefully selected by George Vanderbilt himself. Visitors can wander through the lavish bedrooms, explore the bowling alley, and experience the opulence of a bygone era. The estate offers a unique glimpse into the lifestyle of the Vanderbilt family, showcasing their love for art, culture, and entertainment, and marvel at the indoor swimming pool, a symbol of unimaginable luxury at the time. This pool, with its elegant design and advanced engineering, was a marvel of its day, offering a private oasis for the Vanderbilt family and their guests.
The estate's grounds are equally impressive. Spanning thousands of acres, the gardens and landscapes of Biltmore are a testament to the artistry and vision of their creators. Designed by renowned landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted, the mastermind behind New York's Central Park, The grounds of Biltmore are a harmonious blend of natural beauty and human ingenuity. They encompass formal gardens, sprawling forests, and a state-of-the-art winery. Each area of the estate offers a unique experience, from the meticulously manicured gardens to the serene forests and the innovative winery that produces award-winning wines. Biltmore Estate, still owned by descendants of George Vanderbilt, offers a captivating glimpse into the lives of one of America's most prominent families. It stands as a living museum, preserving the legacy of the Vanderbilt family and their contributions to American history and culture. Visitors to Biltmore can not only explore the grandeur of the estate but also connect with the rich history and enduring legacy of the Vanderbilt family. In Newport, Rhode Island, a city synonymous with Gilded Age extravagance, stands Marble House, a dazzling display of wealth and architectural prowess. This summer cottage, built entirely of white marble, was a gift from William Kissam Vanderbilt to his wife Alva, a prominent socialite and a member of the influential Vanderbilt family.
Completed in 1892, Marble House was designed by architect Richard Morris Hunt, who drew inspiration from the Petit Trianon at Versailles. The house, a celebration of the Beaux-Arts style, features grand salons, a breathtaking dining room with gilded columns, and a stunning ballroom inspired by the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles.
Alva Vanderbilt spared no expense in decorating her summer home. She filled it with priceless art and antiques, including a collection of rare Chinese snuff bottles. Marble House became a hub for lavish parties and social gatherings, solidifying the Vanderbilt's position at the pinnacle of Newport society.
Beyond its opulent interiors, Marble House played a pivotal role in the women's suffrage movement. Alva, a fervent supporter of women's rights, hosted rallies and meetings at the estate, using her platform to advocate for social change.